How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Kodiak Ultimate. This is going to be their 3361 RK SL. Now we're going to take a look at the exterior before hopping in on the inside. You just saw our pass-through storage. You do have 3 slide outs in total in this travel trailer. One's going to be on the campside, the others are going to be on the driver. But if we make our way towards the rear of this slide out, you're going to see your outdoor kitchen. So you have a TV already put in place, some storage on the left, and a fridge to keep your drinks cold on the right. Looking down at the tires, you can tell that this camper is dual axle. Nice solid steps underneath that entry door with a nice big grab handle. And if we take a step on the inside, we're gonna check out your living room area first. So right away you have this couch up against the wall. It does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. So you have quite a bit of storage up top there. Now the really cool thing about this living room area is that it is on opposing slides. So the floor space in here is insane. On the right, you have your smart TV, sound system below, and then fireplace at the very bottom. But what you didn't know is that if you open this guy up, you got a little bit of extra storage. Next to that, you're going to see your freestanding dinette. This camper does come with the 4 chairs, which is really nice. You have windows surrounding. And then at the very back, you're going to see your rear kitchen. You have a really good sized fridge with your microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven. You also have a single basin sink and plenty of counter space. Now the kitchen's really cool. It's like secluded, but also you're able to entertain people, which is really nice. In the slide out next to your kitchen, you're gonna have your theater seating. Obviously it does recline. You've got windows surrounding, 4 cup holders all together, remote storage in the middle. And then if we make our way towards the middle of this travel trailer, we're gonna find our bathroom. This bathroom has a really cool LED lit up mirror, medicine cabinet, sink, pretty good sized shower with a max air fan up above, and then your porcelain toilet down below. Now we're keeping on moving on, guys. We've got your main bedroom up next. This is going to be a king size bed. It is on a slide out. This is the 3rd and final slide out. Storage underneath the mattress, as well as behind that front cap, wardrobes on either side. You also have a little cool bench so that you can maybe look out that window, read a book. Maybe that's where the dogs sleep. I don't know, guys. And then across from your mattress, you're going to see your fireplace, a little bit of cabinetry, and your window to overlook your campsite. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Kodiak 3361 RK SL. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You have a really good sized fridge with your microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven. You also have a single basin sink and plenty